Welcome to Unlocking Your Side Hustle Potential, the blueprint for beginners. Get ready to embark on a journey towards financial freedom and success. Embrace the side hustler mindset with positivity and perseverance. Cultivate optimism and determination to pave the way for your success. Discover profitable opportunities through market research and self-evaluation. Explore your skills and passions to uncover potential side hustle ideas. Plan for success by setting achievable goals and creating a business plan. Establish a roadmap for your side hustle journey to ensure long-term success. Build your online presence to reach a global audience. Enhance your visibility by creating a compelling online profile and utilizing social media for marketing. Implement effective marketing strategies to promote your side hustle. Explore budget-friendly tactics like social media promotions and email marketing to expand your reach. Master time management to maximize productivity and achieve work-life balance. Prioritize tasks efficiently to make the most of your side hustle journey. Scale your side hustle and overcome challenges with resilience. Learn strategies to tackle obstacles and persist through adversity to achieve your goals. In conclusion, take action towards your side hustle dreams. Recap the key points and download the Side Hustler's Blueprint 2024 for further guidance.